Good afternoon, family. To all my gods and goddesses out there who is currently watching this video at this time, to all the newcomers, new viewers, and new subscribers to the community, I welcome each and every one of y'all with loving arms. I'm sending out the energies of prosperity, of abundance, and wisdom and enlightenment your way to help be a guide and be a catalyst to your growth and to your healing within this journey and within this lifetime. As y'all know, I am Jalil, JMO, your motivational speaker and spiritual advisor, here to help us all ascend, here to send out words of encouragement, words of inspiration your way, to help you get up and get on your grind each and every day, to help you step forward and be your most highest, most beautiful, and most truthful like goddess and God-like selves. As y'all know, before each and every video, I would like to start off with a breath work, something that gets us on the same mind frequency and have us all connect as one, as a collective. So enough with the talking, let's get right on to it. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time, family. Breathe in. And breathe out. On to today's topic, family. Today's topic will be based around willpower and how to use it effectively. And I have a short definition for us, so we're going to get into that definition right now. And the definition of willpower is simply the ability to control yourself. It is a strong determination that allows you to do something difficult. This is a behavior we are all born with, more than one we learn. However, it is possible to not only learn it, but also strengthen it with consistent exercise. Now, family, what does this definition mean? Now, this definition to all of us should mean when we facing times of adversity through our lives, when we facing times of obstacles and all types of difficulties, your willpower is the reason why you're not giving up on yourself and within anything that you put your energy towards. Your willpower is the reason why you keep going each and every day. You know why? Because we all have that ability to have that self-control over ourselves, to control our destiny, to control our path, but that all starts within that willpower that you have. And once you know how to use that effectively, a lot of things wouldn't, be so stressful. A lot of things wouldn't be or have such an impact on you in terms of you not, progressing or you not making any forward movements within your journey. And willpower, as said in the definition, this is a behavior. So this is like a character trait. This is something that we all have, and we may not notice it, we may not pay attention to it, but our willpower is what drives us to do most things that we accomplish within our lives. You know why? Because that willpower was the reason why you kept going. That willpower did not, put you in a situation or put you in a category to where you was about to give up on yourself. Willpower is definitely something that you should work on. Willpower is something that you should definitely use as a benefit, because it's an asset in all type of aspects of your life. You don't want to give up on something that you started, that you feel real passionate about, that you feel strongly about, because something may not be going your way or something just don't look right at the moment. You gotta have that strength within. You gotta not doubt yourself. Self-doubt is something that a lot of people fall category into, because we all expect things to come fast. We all expect things to come like this, and sadly to say, the universe don't work like that. The thing that all of us supposed to do each and every day is work towards what we want to get done, work towards what you want to get accomplished. Even if you do little steps, them little small steps is big, even though they're not, as big as those big steps that you are going to be able to reach as you elevate throughout the journey. Those small steps itself helps you get there. Those small, look at it as a ladder. You take out the little ended parts of a ladder, the small parts of a ladder, and watch how hard it's going to be to reach up, because you're going to keep trying to leap for them big steps when them small steps is important. But in order to achieve those small steps, and in order to take them small steps to fruition, in order to be able to just have everything connect and have everything come together as one, you have to have the willpower to not give up on yourself. You have to have the willpower to want to accomplish this. Even if you're tired, even if you feel down and out, you have to know that this is for all the bigger reason, for all the bigger picture, for you to build a foundation, for you to walk on your soul's purpose, for you to fulfill whatever type of goals, whatever type of desires, and whatever type of dreams that you have for yourself. Our willpower can really lead us to success, to abundance, but it's all on how you use it and all on when you use it. Don't give up on yourself. Don't doubt yourself. Don't put any type of entity around you that's going to pull you back. Why? Because it can happen. Just like I said, words is like spells. Whatever you say, even your thoughts can manifest sometimes to the present. So sometimes you just got to be careful the things you say, the things you think. If you really trying to see progression within your life, if you're really trying to see a big change, because if you are complacent, which you shouldn't be where you at now, then that is something that you need to work on. We should all want to grow. We are all here to grow. We are spiritual beings having a human experience. Therefore, our growth is all a part of this journey. If we're not growing, then we're not elevating, we're not doing it. You're just standing right there. You're sitting right there from where you was from the beginning to now, and that shouldn't be the case. So family, you should want to grow. You should want to do better. You should want to see things come into your life that's going to help you and help others and help whatever that you got going on for yourself. But do remember, willpower is the catalyst for it. Willpower will help you, just like in the definition, is the ability to control yourself. You're supposed to have discipline over yourself. And not a lot of times you want to be motivated to do certain things, but once you have that discipline, that drive, and that fire within you, you're going to get it done, most definitely. Because you know why? Because you I'm not taking no shit. I'm not going to sit here and let things pass me by when I can be taking accountability and when I could be sitting here really putting in the work to obtain these things. I'm not going to let these things just go out in the wind. Nah, I'm going to take control. I'm going to be that God. I'm going to be that goddess, and I'm going to create the life that I want to live, the life that I should live, and the life that I deserve. And that's how you should think. But it all starts with the willpower from within, bringing it out and helping you within your journey. But family, before I get on with the overall message, I would like to say, if y'all like this visual, if y'all like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe, share the video with others to spread the message and awareness, and subscribe to the community if you like videos like this, if videos like this resonates with you on a deep level. But the overall message I want each and every one of us to take, family, is be able to control yourself in times of difficulty. Why? Because those are times where you're really going to get tested the most. Times where challenges will arrive and appear in your life is going to test you to see if you're really true to yourself and true to your soul's purpose and true to what you're doing, or is this something that was temporarily, or is this something that wasn't, meant to stick for you in that type of direction. You have to be able to use that behavior, use that characteristic to fulfill whatever goals and desires you have. to help strengthen yourself as a person, to help strengthen your aura, your soul, and the physical vessel. And once you do all of that, I promise you, family, I guarantee you will see big amount of changes happen. But it all starts with not giving up. It all starts with having that drive. It all starts with that willpower that we have from within. We all have the abilities to go above and beyond. We all have the abilities to reach our potential. But in order to reach that potential, you have to believe that's already in you, in yourself. You have to believe you're already that person that you're trying to become. You have to believe that whatever that you want in your life is already here. Once you put all those things in your mind, it's going to stick. And once it sticks, it's going to unfold and reveal itself. And you're going to be happy. You know why? Because not only you spoke it, not only you visualized it, but you put in the work. You was grinding it out, even with times of difficulty. Your willpower didn't let you give up. Nah, it kept you going. Your willpower is the reason why you're here today, still going, still excelling, still prevailing within your life, family. But on to the end of the video. I love y'all. I thank y'all for all the support, all the genuine support and feedback I get since day one from this channel started until now. I'm sending out nothing but loving energies, healing energies, abundance, wealth, prosperity, and all the things that you need. That will be a help, that will be an asset, that will be an aid for you and whoever's around you to help build that stable, solid foundation, family. Until next video, love, light, peace, take care.